So, students, in the last class, we were discussing about the American freedom struggle, in which we have thoroughly discussed many points. Today, we will do the effects of American freedom struggle. First is the rise of democratic nations and written constitution. American constitution के बहुत सारे democratic principles आ गए, democratic states आ गए, और constitution भी लिखा हुआ हो गया. And second is your religious freedom. अब third is the end of commercialization, rise of British Commonwealth, French Revolution, and benefit to the island, increase in the power of parliament. So these are the 7 points which can be clubbed under the effects of American freedom struggle. So this topic has been finished. Now let us come on the second topic, that is French Revolution. In the whole world, the two revolutions are very famous. First is your American freedom struggle or revolution, and second is your French state revolution. And as you people know that our constitution's principles are also been taken by the two revolutions. So second is your French Revolution. In French Revolution, there is a rule of Louis, and Louis was a very arrogant ruler. And against this arrogant ruler, there was a unity of the people of the middle class who don't want these rulers to be ruled. So they were against, these common people are against this French King Louis. And as you can see that there is a defective political system. Totally government is centralized. Second is the ruler is Louis is incapable. Louis 14 is the incapable ruler, and Louis 15 is also not a very good ruler. And expensive state system, the state is very expensive, that's why too much tax is there. Corruption and new process and the law, the system is basically was with the corrupt people, non competent delegation, and no representation to the provided to the peoples. So these are the political reasons. Second is the social reasons. सोशल रीजंस में क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं? पहला, यहाँ पे 3 क्लास थी, प्रिस्ट, नोबल एंड जनरल क्लास. ठीक है, इन तीनों में बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था, और प्रिस्ट और नोबल क्लास यूज टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन द पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम द मिडल और लोअर क्लास. एंड पीजेंट एंड लेबर क्लास था, इनके पास कुछ राइट्स नहीं थे और सारी की सारी ड्यूटीज थी, टैक्स बहुत ज़्यादा लेते थे. मिडिल क्लास पढ़ा लिखा था पर उसके पास पावर नहीं था, टैक्सेशन इससे भी लिया जाता था. और सेकंड है भाई, करप्शन था चर्च के अंदर. चर्च वॉज बेसिकली डोमिनेटेड बाय द पीपल हु आर सिटिंग इन द गवर्नमेंट. हेरिडिटरी सिस्टम था, सारा का सारा जो पावर किसके पास जाता था? जिसके पास हेरिडिटरी राइट्स होते थे, मतलब बाप का बेटा और उसका भी बेटा, उसका भी बेटा, सिस्टम चलता था. ठीक है, नेपोटिज्म था. इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम देख लेते हैं क्या था. इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम के अंदर देखोगे आप, टैक्स कलेक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा था, ह्यूमन टॉर्चर था, करप्शन था, और जो टैक्स लिया जाता था उसको लोगों पे नहीं खर्च किया जाता था. दैट वाज नॉट स्पेंड ऑन द पीपल एट लार्ज. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स. Then another reason is intellectual consciousness. There are some people who played a very vital role who belongs to the middle class family, and they are very well educated, like Voltaire, Diderot, Rousseau, Montesquieu. These are the people who played a very important role, and they are clubbed under the intellectual consciousness. And the first system is, and after that, failed attempts of reformation. There are the chances. There are the times when the reformation attempt was carried out against the Louis 16, but basically it was failed. Now let us here see the major incident of the revolution in the phases. First incident of the revolution is the oath of tennis court. All the common people and middle class gather at the tennis court, and they took the oath that they will form a written and independent constitution for their nation called as France. Then their second is the National General Assembly. In the tennis court, they had pledged to make a National General Assembly for the common people. And after that, they did a very immediate step, and it was fall of Bastille Fort. They just went towards the king fort and took over all the ammunition arms from the king guards, and somehow attacked the king properties, government properties, and this is called as the fall of Bastille Fort. So Bastille Fort was under the dominance of the protesters. Then after that fall of Bastille Fort, all the privileges of the kings and the people close to kings were finished. Then common people are in the power now, so they have written a written constitution 1791, because of which king escaped in the neighboring kingdom. Then a national convention was brought in 1792 1795, which generally discuss the future of the France related to the political activities. So basically, there are two parties. One is the Gironist and second is the Jacobin parties, which played a very vital role in the French Revolution.